Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and two-factor authentication are working. That matters because iCloud ties directly to your account. Next, make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and enough local storage. Poor network or low space block syncs. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud, and enable the services you need. This initiates the handshake between device and Apple servers and avoids trivial blocks before deeper troubleshooting. You now move into the middle steps. Check Apple system status to rule out server outages, because local fixes won't help if Apple services are down. On a Mac, use System Settings Apple ID iCloud. On Windows, open iCloud for Windows and sign out, then back in to renew tokens. If two-factor prompts aren't arriving, reset network settings or briefly enable airplane mode to force re-authentication. Also inspect keychain or password conflicts that can silently block iCloud syncs. Finish by performing a force restart to clear transient issues, then sign out of iCloud and sign back in. This refresh often resolves activation. Make a local backup first. Use Finder, iTunes, or encrypted backup because you may need to restore. If problems persist, consider restoring the device from backup or reinstalling the OS to clear deep configuration errors. Troubleshooting tip: if activation still fails, backup, erase the device, and restore from that backup. This resets stuck states while preserving your data.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.